Okay, now these two locks can also be operated via Bluetooth along with the fingerprints. For that, you will have to download an IE lock app on your Android and Apple mobile. This is the lock icon. Now once you download the app, once you click on this app, the main screen will look like this, and it immediately connects with the lock once your Bluetooth is on. So now the app, on this app, the lock code is displayed on the top. Now the first time master password will always remain 123456. Once it's confirmed, now the app is now fully connected via password with the lock, and with this red button you can open and close the lock. See, this way when you press the red area, the lock opens. Now along with this, via app you can also add your fingerprint. This is this area where fingerprint area is there, where we had clicked. Now there we can, any username we can add. Now put your finger on the lock, whichever you want, and as you put on the screen the finger, the red area keeps coming, which shows that your finger is been registered. Once the total area is red, the blink sound comes. Now the person has been registered on this app. Now with his fingerprint he can also open the lock. As you can see on the screen, with the fingerprint also the lock can be operated, and also with the Bluetooth as I showed earlier. Now how to add another user? From the main screen you add Bluetooth user, click on the plus sign. Now add the name and whatever password you choose. This time you can choose any password of your choice. For example, we put 11111 in the password area. And press confirm. Now the username which appears on the screen also is added. Now that another user can also use this lock via Bluetooth. Once the another user enters the password, once he is in the range of the lock, it will ask the user to enter the password, and once he enters these the 1116 times, the app will allow the user to access the lock.